Tonight's a special and very wonderful night for all of the citizens of Lynn. We have a great deal to celebrate, and in particular, the beautiful original candelabra that have stood as sentinels outside of this gorgeous library building, which belongs to all of us. They've been missing for quite a number of years, about 30 years, and it was quite a project, a long pregnancy, to get them back onto the front of the library, where they stand as sentinels and illuminate the glorious building that we should all celebrate.
Well, first off, I just want to thank Jamie Marsh and his department and Mary Murray for all the hard work that they've done. Obviously, we couldn't have done it without you. Thank you to the mayor's office, and a big thank you to the trustees who they took this on as their baby, and it's so nice to see it finally happen.
Yeah, we want to thank the mayor too for supporting everything around here, including the antique lights you see in the common. This just doing it here in the library as well complements what we're doing in the common. And the big common, it's just beautiful. So we're really excited in the community development.
And you know, the lights look right at home. They look like long lost prodigal children that have returned to the library. So it's wonderful to see them back in their rightful places.
It's part of the history of the city.
Absolutely. And it really complements the facade of the library. Okay.
So are you ready?
Are we going to do this on the count of three? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yay! So nice. Oh my goodness. No, it's a nice warm glow to the library. As somebody over there. So I'm so glad. Look at how beautiful they look.